At all the latest updates that are coming in from Mumbai, and this regarding the Sushant Singh case. Now we're looking at the CBI team, which is now at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput, and not just the CBI team. We're also looking at Sushant's sister Meetu, AIIMS doctors, and a forensic team, and also Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pithani. All have been now brought to the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Arunil, giving us a ground update there of what's happening at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput.
By the CBI authorities.
दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से सीबीआई की टीम जो है वो एम्स की टीम के साथ मिलकर जो फॉरेंसिक दस्तावेज है.
We'll try and get more updates on the situation, but this is a development that has now come in just a short while back. We're looking at those visuals of the CBI team, which is there at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. It is very important here to understand that this is the third time that the CBI team is in fact recreating the crime scene at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. And for that, it is not just the CBI team. We're also looking at the forensic team, Siddharth Pithani, who's Sushant's flatmate, Sushant's sister Meetu, who's also present at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput along with the CBI team. Let me go across to our deputy news editor Mayuresh, who's joining us live, getting us all the updates now coming in the inside track of the CBI probe. Mayuresh, this is a big development coming in where we're looking at the recreation of the crime scene that has been happening for the third time by the CBI. And with that, we're also looking at the forensic team, Sushant's sister, all there at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, absolutely. The first information which came that only Meetu is going there with the AIIMS doctor team, but now the CBI team has also joined. And as we were discussing that if the CBI team is joining there, then certainly there are indications that CBI may call other people who were there basically at present in this basically in that room basically when the incident happened. So right now also you can see in the visuals that. At his residence, Sushant Singh's residence, Meetu, along with AIIMS team, also Siddharth Pithani has reached there, and it's a clear indication that they are doing this recreation for the third time. So CBI must have got some lead, and that's why, or any kind of a discrepancy. That's why they have basically again started doing this recreation. And you can see in the visuals also, even the forensic team of AIIMS was spotted the terrace of Sushant Singh Rajput's flat, where they were clicking the photographs and gathering the kind of evidences.
All right, Mayuresh, request you to stay with us. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Arunil for further updates on this. We'll try and reconnect with Arunil in just a bit. My colleague Arunil there from outside the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. Will reach to him in just a bit. Once again, let me go across to my colleague Mayuresh for further updates. Mayuresh, as you pointed out, this is the third time we are looking at the CBI team recreating the scene. The forensics team is also there. But earlier as well, we had seen in two occasions the forensic team was at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. And is there any indication, has anything been revealed as of now of what they have found in the last two visits?
So far the forensic team didn't reveal anything, because usually the procedure is that forensic team submit their report in a sealed envelope to the probing agency, and even CBI has not revealed that what exactly they got in Sushant Singh Rajput's house from, and also what exactly they have found in the if we talk about the evidences, or if we talk about the forensic teams what they have gathered. So they have not revealed much, but again today we are seeing that the forensic team has reached there. CBI team will be also reaching there. It's a kind of a third time they are doing this recreation. So they must be having either some kind of a lead, or they have found some kind of a discrepancies in earlier thing, the statements which these people, including Neeraj, then Siddharth Pithani and other people have recorded, and that's why they have again asked everyone to be at Sushant Singh Rajput's house to recreate the entire scene and get the things and get to know that what exactly happened on 13th night and 14th day.
Absolutely, and Mayuresh, extremely important here to also understand the timing of the CBI team and the CBI's visit in trying to recreate the scene, because we also know that the AIIMS forensic team, which had visited the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput, was expected to submit the findings to the CBI by August 28th. And with that regard, this recreation seems extremely inevitable as well, because we are trying, the CBI would be looking at understanding the findings of the AIIMS report as well in trying to collaborate with the recreation of the crime scene.
Absolutely, because when they do this kind of recreation, it means that either they have found some kind of discrepancies in the statement which the people have recorded. In this case, whether it's Neeraj, whether it's Siddharth Pithani, and whatever the statement they have recorded. And also another aspect is that they must have got some clue and then regarding, or some lead regarding on what exactly happened on that day, when the exactly that we can say the tragedy happened, or when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. So to get the more information out of it, to get the exact information, who was where at that time, who opened the door, who was where on 13th, what exactly Sushant spoke with, how his behavior was. So all sort of these things will happen. You see, creating that entire thing, or recreation of a drama, when they say, or recreation of a crime scene, it means that they will ask people who were present on 13th and 14th, that at this moment, where were you? Then what happened? So it is like step by step they will try to unfold the things again to get the exact information, and to get more information, that who exactly was there and what exactly happened, which will give them more clarity to investigate further.
Absolutely, as CBI team, they're trying to recreate the crime scene for the third time. Mayuresh, apart from Siddharth Pithani, who else is currently there at the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput? Because in the last two recreations, we had also seen the house help, the cook, several other people who are part of this recreation. So today, as the CBI team continues to recreate the crime scene, Siddharth Pithani, who else are we expecting to be there at the residence?
See, CBI is basically not revealing that whom they are calling at that recreation, if it is happening. But as of now, in the visuals, or we can say the reports which we are getting, it's Meetu and Siddharth Pithani who have reached at Sushant Singh Rajput's house, where the AIIMS team as well as the CBI team has also reached. And according to the sources and even in visuals also, it has been found that the team, the forensic team which has reached there, they were at the Sushant Singh Rajput's terrace, the residence terrace, and they were clicking some photographs and trying to get the evidences from the terrace area again.
All right, so those, of course, important updates coming in. But Mayuresh, with regards to this entire case, earlier also, while we understand Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj, they were questioned multiple times. In fact, Siddharth Pithani, as we understand, was questioned for almost 9 times by the CBI, and so was Neeraj. But there has been a lot of inconsistencies as well that was found between the statements of both Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj as well.
Yeah, and that's why CBI was calling them again and again to record their statement whenever they have found a discrepancy. But what is more important, that it's been more than 14 days. That is more than 2 weeks that CBI team is in Mumbai. They are probing this matter. But as of now, no arrest has been made, or they haven't got, or we can say that they haven't got a big clue or big breakthrough in this entire case. And that's why every day they are calling these people to record their statement, to find a discrepancy. Once the CBI gets
all right, Mayuresh, sorry for the interruption there. Request you to stay with us. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Arunil, joining us from outside the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput.
And that is why only repeatedly they have been recreating the crime scene at the residence of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. And here as well, the AIIMS forensic team over here has come with Meetu.
Let me once again go back to my colleague Mayuresh for further updates on this. Mayuresh, this is of course going to be extremely important to understand the outcome of the third time that the CBI is recreating the scene. But in addition to the recreation, do we have any clarity of whether Riya Chakravarti or anyone else could be perhaps later summoned in for questioning in this regard?
See, as of now, we have been given to understand when during this recreation of crime scene, Riya Chakravarti was not there on 13th, on neither on 13th nor on 14th of day when the entire thing was happening. So it is unlikely that Riya will be called at that particular house where the recreation is happening, or recreation crime scene is happening under the observation of CBI and AIMS team, because Riya on 13th she was not there. She left the Sushant Singh. There's some movement here. We can see that the NCB officials are basically, you can see Samir Wankhede is there, who is the zonal director of NCB here, and he is also right now moving to NCB office. And you can see that Samir Wankhede, who is the zonal director of NCB, he was there present when the raids were happening at Riya's residence, when the Shobik was basically, where Shobik was also asked few questions. So you can see that there is a Samir Wankhede who is sitting in the car, and he will be also moving to basically he is not saying anything, and we have been given to understand that he is leaving for the court, the local court, where Shobik Chakravarti and the other Samuel Miranda will be present.
All right, so we're looking at some of the updates there coming in, Mayuresh, as you're there outside the court, and that is also going to be extremely crucial, because we are going to be looking at both Shobik Chakravarti as well as Samuel Miranda. Both of them would be produced before the court. But with regards to the procedure that is being followed, Mayuresh, we understand the medical test has already been conducted for both Shobik as well as Samuel Miranda. What are the details you are picking up regarding the medical test, and also what time are we expecting both of them to be produced before the court?
So in a short while, as I said, that they will be produced in the court. And if you talk about the medical, yes, the medical happened at Sion. Even the NCB conducted the antigen test of all four accused in this case, including Zaid, including Samuel Miranda, including Shobik, and one other person, Ibrahim, who will be also produced in the court along with Shobik and Samuel Miranda. So the antigen test happened, and all of them have been tested negative in the antigen test, and medical has been already over. And just few minutes back only, we have been given to understand that they have left the Sion hospital, and anytime they will be reaching the court where they will be produced. And this is an indication where the senior zonal director, senior person like Samir Wankhede, who is a zonal director in NCB, he has also left court. He has left for the court from the NCB office. So soon we have been given to understand the matter will be heard.
All right, Mayuresh, a lot of developments, as you're pointing out, expected to take place both outside the NCB office as well as the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput. We'll keep coming back to you for all the developments, Mayuresh. Thanks so much for joining us with your inputs on this.